I don't know about y'all, but it's something so nostalgic about being in the beauty supply store. Every time I come in, I am constantly flooded with a ton of memories of me and my mama coming in the beauty supply store on Saturdays and grabbing everything and all things beauty.
Y'all store is nice though. It's clean and organized.
Yeah, we trying.
I didn't even know y'all was over here. Now I gotta come in there.
We are currently in here looking for quick weave supplies. I have decided that I'm going to do a quick weave. So we're coming in here for some beauty supply store hair, wig, cap, glue, and the rest of the essentials. And I'm going to get straight hair, so I decided to get some flexi rods so that I could curl it without applying heat every day. So boom, these are basically everything that I'm going to be using. The flexi rods, the comb cutter, shear cutter or whatever, some clips, wig cap, some glue, some protector, and some remover for when I take it out, of course. And then we have the hair. So let's get started. So I'm about to do my hair. My hair is already braided up and I've already sectioned out the leave out portions. And this is the back portion. This is how the back looks. Write it down or whatnot. Anywhoosies, let's get into it. I'm about to start the process and I'll take y'all along with me. So a lot of people use a brush or their hand to apply the liquid protector to the stocking cap. I'm going to use my hand, of course, hence the glove. And I'm just going to go around the base and I'm going to make sure that I don't get it inside the white line. So let's get into it. All right, so now I already got the cap on. And I've used a white eyeliner to trace out the spots that where my leave out is. So we should be good to go. The protective layer is added onto the hair already. Now we're about to sit up under the dryer for like 20 to 30 minutes while the protective layer dries, and then we can glue the tracks in for the quick weave install. So let's go get up under the dryer. Okay, finally out of the dryer. The protectant is hard. It has like a cast on the hair. So now we're ready to glue in the tracks. So let's get to it. So currently there is 1 pack of hair in my head, and as y'all can see, I'm just working my way up in a U shape. I'm about to start on the other pack and then I'll come back with the next step. The hair that I'm going to be using is Pearlish by Shake and Go. I saw a lot of good reviews about this hair, and a lot of people stated that they really liked it when they had it for quick weave, so I decided to give it a try as well. I literally drove all over the city looking for this particular hair, and in my city, only one beauty supply store was stocked with it. I told myself that at the beginning of this year that I was going to keep my hair done, whether that was me doing my hair or going to a stylist to get it done. Either way, it was staying done 365, baby. I'm not playing around. Straight out of the pack, the hair is soft, the hair is shiny, and it's also thick from root to pretty much tip. Very minimal shedding so far, but I am just putting the hair in my head, so we'll see. Right now, I'm just placing some glue on the width so I can glue the track down. At this point, I'm kind of excited that I'm almost done with my head. So we're almost to the finish line. Keep in mind that I am gluing the track outside of the white line that's on the cap, because inside of that line is my leave out and I don't want the glue on that. I like to keep the tracks as close together as possible for a more natural look. And I am using some Gots to Be spray, and I'm going to spray each corner of the track just to secure the track onto the cap. I'm going to repeat those steps on the opposite side, and then we will blend the leave out with the hair. It's been a long time since I've had a quick weave. I know for a fact it's been, I want to say, over a year. But I'm excited. I'm excited to see how it's going to turn out and how I end up styling it. And at this point, I'm really just taking my time going through and just making sure that I am placing each track where it needs to be. See, this is where it starts to get real. Y'all know how it be as soon as you start brushing through it. As soon as you done threw the little bundles in, you start feeling yourself a little bit, brushing it, looking like, snaps, feeling yourself. All right, time to get back on schedule. We're going to clip this back a little bit, and we're going to get to blending. I'm taking my time and cutting the middle part of this stocking cap because I don't want to cut my leave out. So I'm just making sure that I'm cutting the stocking and cutting the pieces off as I go as well. I have already blended this side off camera, and then I'm going to blend the other side on camera. So this is just me brushing through and showing you guys how well it's blending in. We are almost at the finish line, and I'm so excited about that. So we're just going to take the last braid down for the other side of the leave out, and then we're going to separate that piece because we're not going to flat iron that big chunk like that. We want the look to be as seamless as possible, so we'll separate and flat iron small sections in order to blend. Let's speed this up a little bit. Now I'm just going through and parting thin sections of the hair, brushing them through, and I'm also spraying it with Gots to Be. I think that's what is really making it blend so well. I know that Gots to Be is like a hardening, holding spray, but using this technique just helps to blend my hair the best to me personally, and that's just spraying a little Gots to Be on there and running the flat iron through it. It's stiff at first, but once it cools down and you use a comb to comb it through, it actually blends with the hair very nicely, and it still has body, so that hard cast comes off. And it's actually just straight and silky after you get rid of that cast. Please keep in mind that I am doing all of this on freshly washed hair, so there's no other product in my hair but the Gots to Be on the leave out. So that, take that into consideration as well. Now I'm just going through and brushing the hair, making sure there's no tangle, and just making sure that my hair is blending in with the bundles to give it a seamless look. I did decide to cut the hair off camera because I was wanting like a 90s type of vibe and the hair was just too long. So I decided to give it a cut. I'm loving the after effects. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.